In other words, the mandrill is nature's biggest tradwife advocate. So this is where it starts. Turns out the tradwife movement isn't just a TikTok trend. Some wild animals have had it down for years. Research scientist Setchell says mandrills are a classic example of conventional mammalian sex roles. In other words, the mandrill is nature's biggest tradwife advocate. In this jungle version of 1950s suburbia, the females take on the full-time job of motherhood, growing, feeding, raising the kids, packing metaphorical lunchboxes. Meanwhile, the males, they might occasionally acknowledge their offspring, especially if they're definitely sure they're the dad and their kids are threatened with danger. But don't expect diaper duty. Researchers were even surprised when they saw that a dad carried his orphan son after the mother died and was no longer able to do it. If that's something noteworthy, it gives you a good picture of how low the bar is for fathering in mandrill terms. These differences also change how the two sexes behave. Males are generally solitary outside the breeding season, joining female groups temporarily to mate. On the flip side, females have created support networks for raising the kids. They've developed social strategies that focus on keeping a secure, stable group, while males have focused efforts on ways to make them more successful at mating as much as they can, mostly by being big in size and having beautiful colors on their faces that are seen as attractive. So if you're into traditional values, just know they've been around a lot longer than your favorite internet influencer.